last law is Avogadro's law. And again, this is a direct relationship between the temperature and pressure and number of moles. So if pressure increases when the number of moles increase. So if B was the number of moles and that increased, this is showing that the pressure will increase. So make sure you draw that on your flip book. And now the equation, P1 over N1, so initial pressure over initial number of moles equals P2 over N2. So change pressure over change number of moles. And an example from our worksheet packet, this is worksheet number 5. It's problem number 2. And we have it set up here. So we have an aerosol can contains 0.10 moles of air and has a volume of 500 milliliters. Under these conditions, the pressure reads 72 psi. After spraying out gas out of the can contains 0.42 moles of gas. Assuming a constant volume and temperature, what is the new volume, the new pressure? So they gave you some extra information in here. They told you that 500 milliliters, but they also said we are having a constant volume and temperature. So the information we need is just moles of pressure. Those are the things that the question is saying has changed, not the volume. So we can cross off volume and we'll cross off temperature. And then we fill in our initial. So our initial was 0.1 moles at 72 psi. And then it says we have 0.042 mole after we sprayed the can. And we don't know the psi. So we'll plug the values into the equation. So first the initials. The initial pressure is 72 psi. Initial number of moles, 0.1 mole. And then what it changes to. So we don't know what the new pressure is, but we know that it changed to 0.042 mole. So that's our number of mole 2. When I solve this equation, again, I solve so that I'm trying to get P2 alone on that side of the equation. And the way I do that is multiply both sides by 0.042. So here's the equation again. I just rewrote it. So multiplying both sides by 0.042. So then on the equation, side of the equation with the pressure, those totally cancel out. On the other side, the mole just cancels out. And then we'll do 0.042 times 72 divided by 0.1. And that'll give us 30.24 psi. Plug it into our table to see, does this in fact show a direct relationship? We went from 72 to 30, that decreased. And we went from 0.1 to 0.042, that decreased. So that is a direct relationship. They both decreased.